All right, so I was doing a little bit of research on pairing my remote control to two fans and found that there weren't any, so I thought I would do this here real quick. So here's my remote. I can't remember the name brand of this thing, but it's on the internet. You'll be able to find it. So what my issue was is that it was only controlling one of my two fans, and I wanted to sync everything up. So I did a little bit of research, and so this is basically what I found out I had to do. This is the main power to both of them. You have to turn that off, but you have to leave it off for like 3 minutes. I was just turning it off, waiting 5 seconds, and then turning it back on. But once I turned it off for about 3 minutes and waited, and then you take your remote, and there's a learn button on there. All right, but you don't touch it right now. You just wait, and then you turn the power on. Then when I hit the learn button, it will blink my lights, indicating that it's communicating with them, and then they are all synced up. So now if I go back to my remote, I know that I'm trying to get the light just right. Now I can turn them off, and they are now synced up together. Yes, those are good. Let's go power back on. Let's say I want to turn on the lights. Say that light works. Now that light works. So this remote now is controlling both of those fans. But the key for me was to wait about 3 minutes when I powered these fans down from the light switch. Waiting 3 minutes, then turning the power on, then hitting the learn button. So just keep that in mind. You got to leave the power off for a while. I don't know why, but that's the way it was. So hopefully this will help